How to download Castle Make and Play app on your Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can download the Castle Play and Make app on your Android device. So let's just dive right into the video. To get started, unlock your Android phone and open up the Google Play Store by tapping on the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the App Store. After that, once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner of your screen and you're going to type in Castle Make and Play in that search bar. In the search results, you will see the Castle Make and Play app. Look for the app icon and the name. Tap on it to open up the app's download page. Now, once in the app, tap on the install button and the app will start downloading automatically to your device. The download should take only a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been downloaded, it will automatically begin installing on your device. Once the app is installed, you can open it directly from the Play Store or you can find the app icon on your home screen or your app drawer. When you open the Castle and Play Me app, you may need to sign in and set up your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to get started, and that is it. Now you have successfully downloaded and installed the Castle Make and Play app on your Android device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. And thank you for watching.